in this guide, I'm going to show you how you can trim a video for an Instagram story. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now first, open up the Instagram app, and then of course you need to tap the plus icon down at the very bottom, or you could also just hit it up in the top left as well. But essentially from here you need to select Reel, which gives you access to all of the editing. So choose the video that you want from your camera roll, and we'll just go ahead and choose a random video on here. Actually, where's something here? We'll do this one, right? Select next once you choose it, and then once you go ahead and get on something that looks like this, what you need to do is just select the little video editor icon down at the very bottom, or select edit video, and you're going to see the full video editor. I'm just going to pause this real quick because I don't want it just continuously playing. From here, you can drag the edges to, obviously cut some specific thing out if you wanted to. We're going to keep it at full length. But what you can also do if you want to remove a specific section is just find the little edit section on here, hit split, and then hit split again, and then you could select the area that you don't want and hit delete, and boom, you just cut it out. Now once you're done editing, hit the little next button just like so, and once you're on this screen right here, select save draft, and it'll go ahead and export immediately to your drafts and your camera roll. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.